day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having the best day, and in today's video we are doing a what to buy from Lush if you don't have a bath video. A lot of you guys always comment on my videos, especially my Lush videos, saying you don't have a bath, and it's really annoying because when I mention loads of bath bombs you guys get really sad that you can't buy anything. So I thought, do you know what, this video is for you watching who only has a shower, because I am going to be sharing with you my top 10 shower products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you do, and yes, let's dive right in. The first item I'm going to recommend to you guys is the Twilight shower jelly. I've mentioned this shower jelly before, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, but it's a beautiful lavender vanilla shower jelly that smells unreal. If you guys have watched me for more than a few months, you'll know that I'm obsessed with Twilight. It's one of my favourite scents. I love it so much. I have the body spray, the bubble bar, the shower gel, the sleepy shower gel, the sleepy bubble bar, the perfume. I have a lot. Bath bomb, have that too. So I'm obsessed with the sleepy scent, so this is no different. I have this too, actually. I have the shower jelly literally in my drawer, so I'm obsessed. It smells amazing. It's a lavender vanilla, really great before bed, and the shower jellies last absolutely ages as well. So if you guys are looking for something that's going to last you just a little bit longer than a shower gel, this is what you want. It's so good. The next item is a Christmas exclusive, and that is the Yog Nog shower gel. One of my faves. Smells like cookies, caramel, toffee, biscuits, anything you could imagine that smells like sweets, like a sweet caramelly toffee scent. That is what this smells like. It's unbelievable. One of my favourite items ever. I just love it so much, and it does make me sad that it is a Christmas exclusive. So if you're watching this as I upload or before Christmas, get your hands on this shower gel. It's amazing, and I wish they made it all year round, but I guess it wouldn't be as exciting as it, like, and as festive, do you know what I mean? But this shower gel is amazing, super moisturising on the skin, lathers up really well, and for shower gels, personally for me, I feel like they last absolutely ages because I don't use like too much. I put a little bit on a loofah, like rub it in as you do when you're in the shower, and it lasts absolutely ages. So if you've not tried Yog Nog, did you hear my stomach then? I mean, it is 1:45. I haven't eaten yet today. That's probably why it's rumbling, but that was very loud and obnoxious. I do apologise. That was very rude of my stomach. Next up we have a cult classic, and that is the Rub 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 shower scrub. This shower scrub I love the most, I think, because the scrub they used to do was amazing, but it was black, so it went everywhere. And then they have the Magic Crystals one, which is nice, but the scent's not my favourite. Rub 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 has a really light, lovely floral scent, so it's not overly in your face or offensive, anything like that. It's so beautiful. It makes your skin feel like silk. It's so good. You can also wash your hair with it, which I love. I don't tend to wash my hair with it too much because I feel like it's just a bit much for my hair, but I do really love it for my body. It makes my skin feel unbelievable and amazing. The only thing I will say is don't use it after you shave your legs because it's got sea salt in it, so it does sting like a bitch. So that's my tip, but it's amazing. Honestly, 10 out of 10, best scrub. I just really wish I could scrub like my entire body, because like scrubbing your back is just a little bit hard, isn't it? So yeah, but I do love it. 10 out of 10, best body scrub that's in a pot, because I have got some that aren't in pots coming up in a minute. Speaking of which, they're actually next on my list. The next item is a body scrub, and this is the Scrubby. Now if you guys have watched me for a while, you'll know I'm obsessed. I think I have about 5 or 6 of them always because I love them so much. It's a body butter slash scrub, so it's got shea butter, cocoa butter, all that kind of goodness, but it's also got coconut shell shavings in it, so it's really exfoliating and it looks like a bumblebee. What more could you want? Honestly, smells like chocolate as well. It is so good. 10 out of 10. One of the best body scrubs Lush has ever done, and I've used it so much. But long story short with that one, I love it so much. You guys have probably heard me talk about it a lot, but it makes your skin moisturised, exfoliated, and it also leaves your skin with that oily residue, so if you don't like that, you won't like this. But I find that when I use this, I don't have to like put moisturiser on after my shower, so there's a little tip. I love it. The next item is the Buffy body scrub, similar to Scrubby but has a very different fragrance. It's not as sweet, it's more of just a very neutral scent. It's not overly empowering, anything like that, but it does leave your body feeling sort of very similar with that oily kind of texture. Fine scrubs in there, makes your skin feel so soft, and I can't really talk about that one too much because I feel like it's very similar to Scrubby in the way that it works, but oh my god, does it make your skin feel amazing. So good. Next up we have a shower gel, and if you guys know me, you'll know I'm going to mention the shower gel, so I'm going to let you have a little minute to write it in the comments. Whilst you do that, I'm just going to sit and scroll through Instagram, have a little look on there. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I love Instagram at the moment. I'm really enjoying it, although I'm finding it really hard to take really good photos of myself. Is anyone else having that problem? So the shower gel I'm going to mention is the Lord of Mist Roll. My absolute fave. I've used this so much. Very similar to Plum Rain, but it kind of hurts me to say that because Plum Rain is discontinued. A little bit emotional about it, not gonna lie. Lord of Mist Roll is a patchouli, black pepper, vanilla fragrance. Not everyone's cup of tea, not gonna lie. And when you hear those things together, it sounds like it would smell gross. But I promise you, it smells amazing. Like, it's such a beautiful, spicy, warming fragrance, and I just love it so much. So Lord of Mist Roll is amazing. If you guys haven't tried it, you definitely need to, and thank me later. The next item is a body conditioner, and that is the Tingle body conditioner. I believe this is the same as Chris Tingle, which came out a few years ago. Not sure why they've changed the name, but here we are. This one is the solid version. They also do a liquid, so you guys can choose which one you prefer. I personally prefer the liquids. Do I? I feel like I use less when I use the potted versions. When I use the solid versions, I go to town. Do you know what I mean? So I feel like the liquid versions last me longer. That's my personal opinion. But yes, I love these so much. Personally, with the mint ones though, I actually save them until summer because it's really cooling on the skin, and I feel like on a hot day, that is what your body needs. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to put a cold body lotiony thing on in the winter because it's cold already. So love that. Can't recommend that enough. Amazing. And the last three items I'm going to mention are all soaps. The first one is Outback Mate. Now, I've mentioned this one before, but this one smells like mint. So it's so fresh, so clean. A really good one to use in the mornings personally, because it's really just invigorating, awakening. Is that the right words? Invigorating? I don't know if that's the right words, but it wakes me up in the morning and I just love it. So if you guys are a morning shower person, that soap is for you. The next one is Sultana. This is more of a delicate fragrance, definitely more of a subtle, sort of soft fragrance, if that makes sense. If you don't like overly strong scents, this is a good one. Don't know how many times I'm going to say the word scents in a sentence. Scents, but this is so good, and it leaves my skin so moisturized. When you actually have this soap, it's really like soft and like moist. Ooh, sorry if you hate that word, but it is like moist. Ooh. Said it twice now. Won't say it again, don't worry. Makes your skin feel unreal. The only thing I don't like about this one is it does come with actual sultana-y raisins like on top, and I'm just like not about that because I don't like raisins and I don't want them like in my shower. Other than that, it's a 10 out of 10. Great soap, and I've loved it for a long time. I just don't really know why I don't mention it. I think it's just something I forget about, but I do love it. And last but by no means least is another soap, and this is the Rhubarb and Custard. This is very new. Smells like sweets. It's so good. My friend Kelsey recommended this to me and I was like, girl, I need it. Bought it. Unreal. It's so good, and it's really moisturising as well. It's got that very like moist texture, you know? So there's something in my eyeball right now. I don't know what that is. Rhubarb and Custard is a really beautiful soap. If you like your sweet, kind of sweet smells, if you know what I mean, like foodie smells, you'll really like that one. So yeah, give that a go if you haven't tried it. So those are the top 10 products I'm going to be sharing with you if you guys don't have a bath. I do apologise. I know a lot of Lush stuff is bathy, but I wanted to make this video for you if you don't have a bath and you're just a shower person, because you guys are important too. So here you go. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not already. It's free to do and it makes me smile. So if you aren't subscribed, please do. See you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.